Good morning, class. I am Mariannie Arnoza, but you can call me Teacher Mariannie, okay? So, before we start our class today, may I ask everyone to please stand for our prayer. Okay, so in the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, Amen. Okay, so before we proceed to our drill, may I ask how was your weekend? Okay, it was good, wonderful. So I'm fine also. Um, so before we start our drill, I will check your attendance. Okay, who is absent for today? No one. Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands for everyone that are present. Yay. Okay, so Um, do you have any idea of what we will be discussing today? No? Okay, so these activities, before our presentation of our topic, you will have a clue on what we will be discussing today. Okay, so let's first have our drill. So, I have here jumbled letters. So, all you have to do is think and arrange what the letter might be. Okay, so for the first one, what does this jumbled letter is? Yes? Who has an answer? Okay, let's check if you are correct. Yes, the answer is storage. Do you know what is storage? Yes, this is where you put your materials or store your materials. That's why it's called storage. Okay, we have here, what do you think this word is? Okay, what? Let's check. No, this is container. Do you know what is a container? Yes, it's also like a storage. It's a type of storage that you can store your products or materials. Next, you have, what is this one? Yes, chemicals. Are you sure? Okay, let's check if you are correct. Yes, you are correct. That is chemicals. Did you know what is chemicals? Yes, it is dangerous. Some are also, yes, poisonous. No, mostly chemicals are really poisonous. So kids should not touch any chemicals without provisions of your elders. How about this one? Yes, liquids. Are you sure? Okay, let us check. Yes, it is liquids. Do you know what is liquid? Yes, what's the example of liquid? Water, yes, very good. How about the last one? Oh no, it is. Yeah, this is poisonous. So, what is an example of a poisonous material? Yes, insecticides. So, do you have already an idea what our topic will be? About chemicals? About storage? Let's check. Okay, let's have another activity. Are you ready? Okay, so let's have our review. This time, I want you to classify the following. Okay, so classify the following. We have here, you will group the following materials using these words according to what you might think that they are. These should be grouped with other products. Okay, so we have here coffee, bath soap, instant noodles, shampoo, pesticides, and lotion. So, what do you think is you will classify coffee with? Uh, Bath soap? What is coffee? Yes. coffee is you can drink coffee, but bath soap, do you drink or eat a bath soap? No, because bath soap is used for, yes, when you take a bath. It is used for cleaning our body. So, how about instant noodles? What type of product is this? Yes, this is a food. So, coffee and instant noodles are food and drink. So, you can consume it. So, this, you will class group this coffee and these noodles. What can you group with bath soap? That you can, where do you put a bath soap? Yes, you can find a bath soap in your bathroom. So, how about shampoo? Where do you think shampoo is used for cleaning our body too? Yes, so bath soap and shampoo. Next, we have pesticides. Can you classify it with the food and drinks? No, why? How about bath soap and shampoo with pesticides? No. How about lotion? Yes, you can group lotion with bath soap and shampoo. But pesticides is alone. Yes, so we have coffee and instant noodles because they are food. These are food and drinks. Bath soap, shampoo, and lotion is classified because they are used for cleaning our body and moisturizing our body. So very good. Let's give everyone a what clap do you want? A good job clap? Okay. I will demonstrate the clap first and you will follow. Okay, here's you how you gonna do the good job clap. Okay. GOODJOB, good job. Good job. How's okay, so do it with me. So are you ready? Okay. GOODJOB, good job. Good job. Yay. So let's the next one. So here's the correct answer. So you are all correct. So this time let us explore another activity. Are you ready? Okay, so I have here wait. Our next activity would be um our next activity would be entitled Magic Box. So are you familiar with this game Magic Box? Okay, so I have here the magic box. So inside this magic box is I know inside this magic box are pictures of household materials. So meaning these materials can be found in our homes, at our homes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so you will just tell me what the name of the material, and then you will tell me where do you think it should be appropriately stored. So for example, a while ago the coffee, where should you store the coffee? Yes, in the cabinet. Yes, it's correct. Okay, so let's proceed with our magic box. Okay, so who wants I will get the first picture. Are you ready? Okay, let's have this one. What do you think is the one in the picture? Paint. Yes. You are correct. Okay, where should you put the paint in your homes? In the cabinet? What yes, in the cabinet. It's like a storage cabinet. Yes, or the stock room. Yes, very good. How about this one? What is this? This is a meat. Yes, a meat. Meat products. Where should you put the meat for it not to be contaminated? Where? Refrigerator? Cooler? Yes, you should put the refrigerator in the I mean you should put the meat in the refrigerator. Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this? This is a pesticides used for killing insects or pests. Okay, so where should you put this one? In the cabinet also? In the storage cabinet? Yes, you should put this one in the cabinet that children can't reach because this is poisonous. Okay, so next we have, what is this? Soap. Yes, these are soaps. Soap. Okay, so where should you store the soap? In the cabinet also. But if you use the soap, where should you put it? In the bathroom or comfort room. Next we have, what is this? Cleaning products. Yes. So where should you put cleaning products? Is it in the counter? Or in the dining area? No, yes, because yes, it is stored in the closed cabinet also that children could not open because this is very dangerous to consume. So next we have the last one. We have, what is this? Yes, these are fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetables are easy to get rot. So in order to avoid that, so you should store these vegetables and fruits in the, yes, very good, in the refrigerator so that it will last longer for like about months. Okay, so I guess you have already an idea what our topic would be for today. Yes, it's about storing materials. Yes, you got the correct answer. So our topic could be the appropriate ways of storing materials. Okay, so kindly read, everyone. So what can you what did you understand on what you have read? Yes, it says there here that understanding the importance of proper material storage is crucial, meaning it is very important because to be safe and have effective learning environment if you are experimenting. So if you are at home, so it fosters safety. Okay, so first we have here in how you appropriately store your materials is first you will categorize it. So categorization of materials. So you will classify common materials found in your home. So like for example, solids, liquids, and gases. So we will not store this in the same places, right? So, for example, why should you not store a why is it important not to store liquids near outlets? Yes, because electrical outlets um has electricity that water will trigger electricity that might cause fire. So it's very dangerous. So you will not put liquids near your outlets. So next we have safety guidelines. Okay, so them it is the safe handling of your materials. And why, for example, your plates, your glasswares. So where should it be stored? Your plates that are made of glass, or your glass used for drinking. So it is stored that are not that children could not reach, and also a designated area to prevent breakage, because it is very delicate. If it falls, because it will break, and those tiny pieces that was broken from the plate is can cut our skin. So in for experiments, so to for these safety guidelines when doing experiments, so you should wear goggles. So like your experiments that involve chemicals. Okay, so next we have proper storage containers. Okay, so proper storage containers is, for example, you store chemicals or poisonous products. So you will label the containers or the storage if what you have put inside that container. For example, also you will use transparent containers for um, solids, like this one. You store your tablets and medicines inside a transparent container, so you will know what's inside. And then for liquids, you will use colored containers. So also, when storing materials, um, you should also remember that tightly sealing containers is important to prevent spills. Like for example, you store liquid medicine, so you should tightly seal the bottle so it will not spill. Okay, so next we have temperature and environmental considerations. So storing materials involves also, like, you will consider the temperature and the um, the product that you will store. Like for example, the food products. So there are certain food products that um, that needs refrigeration to prevent rot, for it to get rotten. So, for example, a while ago, the meat. You should refrigerate the meat. And also the vegetables. So, and also there are also products that should you might observe that some products they are labeled that keep away from direct sunlight. So, like for example, your cleaning products, your the products that are used to clean your body. So for example, the lotion, the soap. So you should keep those away from direct sunlight. So next we have organization and accessibility. So when you store materials, so you should also organize them and um for you to access it easily. So like for the arrange common materials on accessible shelves. So also for safety is you will put or place heavier items on the lower storage or shelves and the lighter ones on the higher shelves, so that you will easily locate. Also that you store the heavier materials on the lower shelves. Okay, so next we have cleaning and maintenance. So it is not just about storing materials. Also, you should maintain cleanliness on those products. So, like for example, you will um inspect materials for signs of damage or expirations, because you might use those products that already are expired. So you need to check the expiration date that are labeled on those materials. Also, it is important to clean your glasswares in your house, like the glass materials, the plates, the storage containers that are made of glass, that, and also your refrigerator. You should clean it to prevent contamination of your products that are put inside. So next we also have promoting responsible practices. Like for example, the rotten or expired products. So you will properly recycled, such as plastics or containers or papers. For also it is also important in our environment, like that responsible disposal of your materials. Okay, so I hope you understand. So we have here a question: why should food products be stored separately from other materials? So why is it, like, can you just store the food products like with the pesticides? Can you combine it inside the same storage? No, because the food products might be contaminated by those poisonous products, so it should not and never be stored in the same storage or container. So you should remember that. Next question: what should we consider in storing different materials or products? So what are those things? Again, categorization of materials, proper storage containers, temperature and environmental considerations, organization and accessibility, cleaning and maintenance, and promoting responsible practices. Okay, very good. So this time, to assess your knowledge and understanding, let's have our application. So, can you read the direction? So, it states here that check if it is stored properly in its appropriate storage area or container, and cross if it is not. Okay. So, first one, can I have a student? Yes? Okay, so read. Toothpaste and toothbrush are placed in the refrigerator. Check or egg cross. Should you place the toothpaste and toothbrush inside the refrigerator? No, so you will put a cross. Okay, so next, who wants to answer? Yes, John. Lisa uses the refrigerator to store her leftover food leftovers. So, John, is it check or wrong? Or X? Cross, I mean cross. Check? Is it check? Yes, it is correct. So you can store your food leftovers inside the refrigerator so it will last longer. But remember that if you store your foods inside the refrigerator, you should keep it tightly sealed, okay, to prevent contamination. So the third one wants to answer yes. The gasoline was put on top of the counter. So the kitchen counter. So is it correct that you put the gasoline on top of the counter? Yes. No, that is very wrong. So you should put the gasoline in the, like for example, the stock room or a like in the cabinet that are out of reach of children. So the fourth one, who wants to answer? Yes, okay. Detergents are found inside the cleaning cabinet. Is it check or cross? Check. Yes, you can store your detergents inside the cleaning cabinet because the cabinet is labeled as cleaning, so you put your detergents there. So next we have paints are stored inside the stockroom. Is it check or cross? Yes, it is check. So paints can be stored inside the stockroom because you will not use paints daily, so you will just put your paints there, and also your children cannot access it because it is like dangerous too, like it can cause rashes to their skin or burn their skin, and also it might contaminate them if they consume them. So, did you understand our topic for today? Yes. Do you know already how to properly store your household materials? Yes. Okay, it is also the same as how you organize your materials inside your bag. So you should not place your water bottle with the same as where you place your papers. Understand? Okay, so for your assignment, can you read? Research about mixtures. Okay, so kindly pass this tomorrow. Understand? Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have learned a lot from our class. Goodbye, class. Okay, see you tomorrow.